Denis Siplenkov has claimed that Devon Larratt is scared of Vitaly Laletin. Hello arm wrestling fans, in this video we will talk about Siplenkov's comments about the upcoming Vitaly vs Devon match, then a poll that Devon created asking the fans who he should face on the left arm, and finally Devon and Morozov's response to the recent controversial situation after the Artem Morozov video. Morozov gave his explanation there. So let's talk about Siplenkov first. In the recent Body Mania video, Denis said that basically Devon is scared of facing Vitaly. That's why Vitaly is facing Levan first and then Devon later. It's because Devon wants to see how strong Vitaly really is, and then later he will make his decision whether it is worth facing Vitaly on the right arm or not. Because as of now, he may be thinking that Vitaly is too strong for him. Now I would say these are just speculations because I'm not sure if Denis is aware of the fact or not that Devon has said that he was literally begging Vitaly, begging Levan and begging East versus West to let them face Vitaly in February instead of Levan facing Vitaly. But he didn't get it. Vitaly himself announced on the stage that he wants Levan and not Devon. Although these announcements can't really be trusted that much because most of the times I know for a fact that these athletes are being told by the organizers what they can and what they have to say on the stage, who they need to call out. So it could totally have been East versus West saying that Vitaly wants to face Levan and not Vitaly's true words. But still, it is what it is. Devon put it out there publicly that he wants to face Vitaly in February, and yet that match didn't happen. I'm not sure how much of this Denis is aware of. And it's not just this accusation.
Devon made Vitaly pull Levan first so that if he assesses his level as too high, he can duck him once again. This dumb fucking dude. Oh my god, Denis. You are so stupid.
Recently, fans are accusing Devon of many things. Before that, it was Devon avoiding the Europeans. Now that he's facing and beating everyone except Levan, people are saying that he's facing those arm wrestlers when they are injured or not in their best shape. They're saying that Devon beat Gennady right after his bicep surgery. Before that, he faced Hermes Gasparini with just 4 weeks of notice. Then he beat Denis Siplenkov on the right arm when Denis was not his best shape. He kept asking for a left arm match against Denis, knowing that Denis is not in a good shape. He was asking for a Travis Bagent left arm match a year ago, knowing very well that Travis cannot beat him. He's not a worthy opponent. Devon arm wrestled Levan right after his wrist surgery and a bunch of other things like that. How much of that is the truth? What are your thoughts about that?
If some chump actually thinks that they can beat me, and left or right, pretty much anybody, really, at this point, it's basically pretty much anybody. You know, there's basically nobody I'd really say no to. They just have to actually believe that they're going to win and show up, like, not injured publicly, you know, at a minimum.
Now let's talk about Devon Larratt's poll. Who would be best at East versus West 22? Kamil left, Dadikian left, Alijan left, Tobias left. And most people have voted Alijan Muratov. Although Kamil is also getting some overwhelming response in the comment section. People would really like to see Devon versus Kamil too. So in his recent video, Devon mentioned that he would also like to face Alijan for the titles, for the 105 kg and 115 kg titles. But not in February. He doesn't want to cut weight before the Vitaly match. So if the Alijan match happens in February, then it will be in the super heavyweight division, but Devon would rather like to face him afterwards in a weight category match for the world title. And maybe this is the reason why he was asking Hermes Gasparini to step up in February. And Hermes has already very clearly declined that offer. He doesn't think that he can beat Devon in February, so he doesn't want to show up just to lose. Morozov said in his follow-up video that the organization and also the fans took his first video, his initial video about this subject in a wrong way. Things were not cleared there. All of the eastern side knows what he was saying, so nobody really complained from that part of the world, but the western audience didn't really understand what he was trying to say. He said that he's always motivated to train, he will give his 100% train to the best of his abilities and perform to the best of his abilities as he has always done in the past. He has never backed out of competition, although he has always been injured on the left arm, but he never makes excuses for that. And if he was going just for the paycheck and the money, he probably wouldn't even have talked about this problem at all. So looks like Morozov still wants to face Devon in February, but I'm not sure if the league is going to allow it now or not. In the same Body Mania video, when Morozov was talking with the doctor, he clearly mentioned that he took his testosterone shot yesterday. I'm not sure when this video was recorded. It could have been maybe a couple of weeks old, maybe less than that. But he's still on testosterone and he needs to get off it in order to have a baby. So maybe that is one of the reasons why Morozov thought that he won't be well prepared for the Devon match in February, because he has to lay off the juice. Is this the reason why this match is being cancelled? If it is being cancelled? I mean, you couldn't rule out this possibility, right? And let's end this video on a funny note. A fan is trying to get under Morozov's skin. Devon will end your career and sent back to Russia. King Devon, you can't move him. He's our American hero. No European can beat our King Devon. He'll toy with you like he did to Leonidas. And Morozov's reply, please go to hell. Thanks for watching, like the video, and I'll see you again.